just hear it. You can't keep your head on a swivel. I mean, I look up and he's getting wet. Oh, there we go. Woo! Boy, I feel like you missed it. I smacked him down. I got to punch that one down.
Good thing there on the day.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, they're back behind you. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh my God. That was a you want to hang there? Oh! Oh! Here we go.
Hit the cameraman. Nailed me right in the back.
Did he?
Oh, yeah.
There's some good hang.
Watch your hands, going straight. Oh!
You're afraid to turn around. Oh, there we go.
Not on Joe Stevie, man.
Oh, Joe.
Go ahead and get him out. Hey, only got to get 4 more. Yeah, nailed me in the side.
Oh, here we go.
God, right in the head.
Oh, that's over. Look at that.
Holy.
Whoa. Look at this. Oh. Hot dog. So we're getting whacked in the head. Oh, we got another. Whoa.
Oh,
catch one. You couldn't catch him. This was early.
Almost you have my knife. Stab him.
Oh, yeah. Boom.
Oh, they're coming in close. If we hadn't batted them all back in, we would have had the record.
Oh, there's one. I'm on my shoulder. He went right over
it. I got you, buddy.
I gotta tell you, it's hard to hold the camera still.
We're going to get it right
here. We need to bring the ball here. Oh! Got another. That's 8. 8 in the boat. Look at this. That way.
It was in, back in the 90s when he came in.
Oh! How many have we got now?
He missed the ball.
So what do we have, 18 now?
Man, that's not funny. That is not funny.
I think it's kind of funny.
Yeah, I have to admit I do too.
I think it's broke, too. I'm going to have to fix that one.
18. There's 18 in the boat. You're going to...
Oh! 19.
19. I got the scale stuck to me.
50. Can we hear 20?
Yeah. We gotta get 20. We gotta get